Today is an international day designated by UNHCR, United Nations, to honor refugees around the globe. We are all aware of that. For me, I would like to take this opportunity first and foremost to say thank you to the government of Kenya and her people for hosting us all those years, and a special thank to UNHCR for the free service delivery. As you all know, the theme of this year is a hope away from home. A hope away from home. The theme highlights the resilience of refugees who have often lost everything, but they hope for a better future. I want everybody here to note that refugees are real people like any other person in this world. They are able. And I also inform everybody here that refugees are not only a burden to the hosting country, but also they are able to contribute positively to the well-being of the country in many aspects. The World Refugee Day of this year emphasizes the value of inclusion and refugee solutions. And some of the best methods to assist refugees in resuming their lives and enabling them to contribute to the nations hosting them is to include them in communities where they have found sanctuary after escaping violence and persecutions. And I'm also glad that the honor who was here some minutes have mentioned they will soon kick the integration of refugees to the. I will really welcome that, and because refugees has been here, majority of the youth got quality education in this country, but still they don't see their future very well. There are some what do you call confinement, that they are not even able to stay beyond the Dadaab. Some have some skills to explore. Some have the education to make a better life than that in the refugee camps. So if this integration becomes, we will really have an opportunity to also go down in Kenya and make a better life. And for me, when I'm here representing the youth, I wanted to say one or two challenges the youth in the camp are facing. The youth, very many of them have graduated from secondary, and they want education beyond secondary. If further scholarship is given to them, that will be a better thing. Two, very many of them who have graduated from secondary are now in the camp idle. So if there can be an investment and job creation opportunities, it will be also something that youth could have appreciated. At last, while in the refugee camp, refugee youth have always a dream, and very many of them have already got it. And the dream is getting a resettlement to a third world country, a developed country where they can make a better life than that they have been in the camps for the last 30 years. But these days, all services is getting shrink. You will see the resettlement opportunities given to some individuals is becoming a challenge. Some of them are now developing stress. Why? somebody has been in the process of resettlement for some quite number of years. But at the end, when he or she is to fly to the country that has given them the opportunity to be resettled, they are getting a notification letter that says you have been repatriated or you are double registered, of which very many of them are now getting nightmares. I'm very sorry to mention that I'm very sorry to mention that a young father was telling me I had a hope to go to Canada, but 2 days before my flight I was told this is your notification, you are repatriated, and he had not dreamed of going back home. He was wondering. I give him a social support, gave him some counseling. I told him, please make sure all will be good. We will be talking to the government of Kenya. We will be talking to UNHCR, and the issue I mentioned will be also reviewed, and I think a better solution will come. I'm getting a signal that those things were cleared, and soon I think these people will be having a better life outside the camps. Without few remarks, I wanted to say thank you